To make your life easier, Canva has come up with a bunch of preset alignments for your text. So if you're looking to learn how to align your text in Canva, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get into it. So what you need is some text. So on the left-hand side, you have your menu and you're going to hit text, and we are going to just add some example text here. As you can see, the text needs to be selected and you'll have all of your editing tools right here in the top. So as you can see, we are going to just make this box a little bit bigger. And from the very top, you can see that there is an icon or a symbol that looks like a couple lines, and you can see that it says alignment. Now, once you click on it, it automatically aligns it to the left. It fills the space, it aligns to the right, and it aligns center. Some of the other things that we can actually do here is right click, and you can actually align this text to the page. So if you would like to align it to the left, right, or center, it would be the top options. You can also align it to the top of the page, middle of the page, or bottom of the page, like so. If you have multiple text boxes, you can actually go ahead and you can align them together. So all you need to do is make sure that you select both of them. So you can do so by clicking on one, holding in Shift, and selecting the other. You can now go ahead and right click, and here you'll see a menu that says align elements. From here again, you can go left, center, right, or top, middle, bottom. So if you do center it, you can see that's what it looks like. And again, we can go ahead and we can say we want it at the top. Now both of them will be at the top. If you don't want this to happen, you can actually just click on group, and once you click on group, you'll be able to align them to the page again as they stand. So the elements themselves won't actually move from each other. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.